ready, Chris?
I'm as ready as I'm gonna be.
Do you know many things about this car?
Many, many wonderful things.
How many things?
Several. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Freddie.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Hi, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera, as always, is Jake the Snake, trying to grow his little beard. And this, to my immediate right, is a 1972 Chevy Malibu. Well, it is a Chevy Malibu, for sure, but on the inside, you have a big block, aluminum heads, hooker headers, multi-port injection system, wheel wood, four-wheel disc brakes with the booster. You've got two red horns. Oh, look at that, red horns. How nice is that?
Aluminum heads, aluminum radiator, I remember that. Upgraded serpentine belt system, I think Brendan said. Dual electric fans. We got coil packs, which is awesome.
Yes.
And fuel injection means you don't gotta pump it, it just starts right up.
Nope. 1000 CFM throttle body, Scat crank, eagle rods, balanced rotating assembly. Let's see, aluminum heads with stud kit, hydraulic roller cam, green vinyl bucket seats, vintage air.
Ooh, yeah, vintage air conditioning. So we have heat and air.
I love having heat and air.
We'll need the heat today.
Yes, we will. Let's see, we got the frame tied with custom cross member. Ooh, exhaust cutouts.
Yes, the frame is tied, so it's very stiff as well. So you're not going to twist the chassis from all that torque.
And we do not want to twist chassis.
No.
It's very, very green, by the way, which I love. Not the green way like the hippies like, but the green way is in its green colored. Oh, well, look at that.
You got floor mats back here,
Floor mats,
really.
some historic plates.
Some historic plates, really
Love
nice
those.
floors, solid
Love 'em.
floors. Gotta love that. And white stripes with
Love
the
the
green
white
as well.
stripes.
I love the white stripes.
I love the white stripes, the band too, but hey, I really like this car.
Yeah, Seven Nation Army.
Yes. Fantastic
There's
green
that
color.
Green interior.
Only Kermit the Frog's more green.
Again, vintage air conditioning. You got the console shifter, which is nice.
Automatic.
Oh, Dakota digital gauges.
Dakota digital gauges? My God, this car's got everything. Why don't we take it for a spin, Jake?
Sounds good. Let's do that.
Okay. I am ready.
Let's go.
Freddie.
Fuel injection. And Dakota digital gauges. Gotta love that.
How much do we love those?
We love that a lot.
I know.
Shifter on the console. We also got a radio in here with
Oh, neat.
buttons and knobs. Here's our vintage air conditioning system. I have it on hot and
Thank you.
floor because it is cold today.
Oh boy, is it. I don't know what the temp is. It's got to be like 42.
Somewhere around there.
Feels
Low
like
40s.
42. Well, I'm very Christmassy today. Green car, red sweatshirt.
You are. You look like Santa Claus with that beard.
Happy holidays. You're going to get nothing if you keep this kind of talk up.
Is that one of those radios that has Bluetooth? Well, it's got aux.
It does have aux.
That's like the one that we had in the Apache the other day that we didn't think was new, but it was.
It was. It looked so good.
And look at that big Malibu hood with the stripes. Gotta love that. Oh, it sounds good.
Oh boy, does it. Oh, I am barely using any beans at all, and I'll tell you now, it is cooking.
I can tell. 600 horsepower. Partial throttle has plenty of beans.
Plenty of beans, but I like things to get a little warmed up by the stop
On the
sign.
other side of my belt. It's on the ceiling.
Oh, there you have it, and there you are. Love cones.
Oh, beans.
Oh, what the heck?
You've got monitoring in here.
I bet that's something we can do.
I bet.
Oh, good gravy. No one even told us
They
about
hit that
this.
really well. I didn't even know that was in there. This is the Terminator X system.
Terminator.
Look at that. We do have a console though for storage. Also,
I love the heat.
big back seats for real people because big car from the 70s and some newer speakers back there as well.
Nice.
Which is nice.
Nice.
Love a big car from the 70s, especially a Malibu.
Absolutely.
With a big block 496.
496. Yes, we did say that correctly. 496.
Yes, not 396. That is another big block.
We understand, but this is the big guy.
The 496.
Ooh, man, this is not kidding around. The kidding around's over.
The heat's nice too.
Feeling great.
It's getting warm in here. I'm gonna put it on the dash. Oh, I can already feel it coming out.
Wow, I
That
love
is-
vintage air systems. They work so well, and they're not paying me to say that. I'm
No,
just telling
we
you because
just-
I've dealt with it.
We can install them as well.
Yes, we can.
And we know that they work because every single car we've gotten with a vintage air system in it works very well.
Yes.
Blows cold, blows hot.
That's what we want. Oh,
And they have that nice classic look so you don't miss out on that in
No.
your old car.
you don't want it to be obtrusive. it. You want it to blend.
Right.
I like the blending.
And I like the warmth in here that this big block is providing for us on this
boy.
cold day.
Man.
You know where we are.
I know it.
We're almost up to our stop sign up here, which means a small, easy, safe bean test.
Just a quick beans. I'd like to do the small
frijoles.
Frijoles. Yes.
For our
frijoles
Spanish
test.
viewers.
I don't know what he's doing. Oh, he's ruining my bean test.
We'll get past the truck.
He's bigger than me.
And then we'll do a bean test. Oh my Lord. Okay.
Well, beans approved.
It has beans. Holy crap.
Hey, you okay, Jake?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You didn't make a mess on these nice green seats, did you?
No, I already took a poo this morning.
I was thinking pee-pee, but whatever.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. It sounded terrifical.
I believe the 600 horsepower.
I believe every bit of it. They're not liars.
Okay. You want
All right,
to do some
look for
flybys? Good closing door.
Well, it's a little slick out here. That was my excuse. So, would you like to drive it back, Jake?
Sure.
Holy cow.
It's not slow.
This thing is fucking awesome. I'm not.
This is one of the best built resto mods we've ever had.
Ever.
If I'm being honest.